Hello everybody. So in this video, we are going to fix the errors which we saw in the last video. So without wasting much time, let's jump onto the screen and let's get started. In the last video, what error we saw is when we were trying to open the page, it was showing an error failed to load page. Now let's do one thing. Let's go back to cursor, and this time, instead of using in auto mode, let's switch to Sonnet 4.5. This is the Claude AI agent, Sonnet 4.5. We will check on this. So basically, Sonnet 4.5 is one of the most advanced, and for me, as a personal opinion, it is giving the best results. So we will use that Sonnet 4.5 and make sure the Sonnet 4.5 is only accessible in the paid version. Okay. So basically what we are going to do here is come back to the browser and click on open again. Just try to copy this message and come back to cursor and mention here, while opening the page it shows an error, and paste the error here, and also say in what page URL. So we can copy this URL, come back to cursor and say on URL this one. Now the Claude Sonnet 4.5 model knows where exactly it has to go and find the error, because we have given the specific URL for that. And also we have told what is the error there. Now the Claude will go identify the error and fix the error. Now the Sonnet 4.5 has identified the issue and it is giving a summary that this is the issue. Now let's click on open one more time, and there we go. Now we can get into the page, but now what it says is the editor is not opening. I am previewing this inside the cursor itself. So if I open this on URL, text editor TinyMCE is not loading slash opening, and hit this arrow and let the AI see the problem and fix it. So here what it is saying is TinyMCE, I found the issue the TinyMCE editor are not installed. So basically what we have to do is, I believe when we change the model, it is not able to find that. Now we can say the MCP is located in the public folder. And what you can do, you can go to public. This is our TinyMCP folder. Click, drag and leave it here. So it will give the path to the chat, and again click enter. Now it says perfect. I see the TinyMCP is located in uh, the public folder. The issue is that editor component is looking in the wrong location and using the wrong API. Let's fix that. Okay, so now basically Claude identify the issue and it's solving it. In some cases, if you feel the cursor is taking more time than usual, in most of the cases what happens is it get into a loop and it's not performing anything. In that case, just type looks like it is stuck and just hit enter. See, it worked, right? So yeah, sometime it happens. I will just click on keep all. Perfect. And that's how we completed this integration of TinyMCP, and our notes maker area is fully ready. So you can type anything here. This is my working area, full stop, and just click on save and successfully saved. Let's check this in browser as well. I'm coming here, refreshing this, click on open, and yeah, there you go. So what changes I made inside this cursor browser, the same changes I can see here. This is the complete notes making area for me. Okay, you have the undo and redo option as well. Just simply click on save and there you go. Your notes is saved. If you just go back one step, yes, this is something which is not working, I believe. So let's go back to cursor and now write from URL. This is the URL which we have to take, this one. And what we will say, user is not able to perform go back action from breadcrumbs. What is breadcrumbs? So if you see this books, pages, editor, so this is breadcrumb. So from here we are not able to perform the go back action or from navbar. So if we click here, from here also we are not able to perform the go back action. It goes to a blank page. I will give this prompt to the Claude model and let it do its magic. Perfect. Perfect. Now if you can see, I will click on open. Now from here, if I click on pages, there you go, it's working, right? So if I come to browser now and I will click on open personal finance, I can do whatever I want to type here. And then if I want to go back to pages, I can come back to pages here. Cool. Now the error which we saw where we are not able to type anything in our notes, we fixed that error. Now let's do one thing. In the next video, let's do a deep dive check uh, based on our experience and based on our level. A deep dive check, and let's identify which are the places where we want some changes, which are the places where we want to make some modifications, and which are the places we don't need. Let's make a list of that and we will start performing that step by step. But in the next video, let's make a list and then start doing the action on that. So see you in the next one.